Typically, when you rent a dumpster, the service provider will jot down your address, place the dumpster on your driveway, if it'll even fit on your driveway, and then leave you to your business. But what if you have a special request for the placement of the bin? Here at Been There, Dump That, we've delivered dumpsters all across the US while accommodating various special requests. We're happy to tackle issues such as access to alleyways, low-hanging wires, or getting close to your second-story windows. Want to know how we do it? Tight alleyways. You're probably wondering how we can fit these massive trucks with equally large dumpsters down an alleyway. Tri-axle trucks, used by many companies, are simply too large. Been There, Dump That prides itself on being residential friendly. We use smaller vehicles that can navigate down tight corridors and small alleys, wires and driveway obstacles. Our dumpsters have the footprint of a small minivan. They're small enough so you won't have to worry about us dinging your basketball net or hitting any low-hanging telephone wires or tree branches. Though, please notify us of any special requests when filling out your dumpster order form so we can get a heads up. Second level access. It's not a lot of fun lugging your stuff downstairs each trip, right? No worries. We'll neatly place your dumpster right beside your window, making it oh so convenient. Feel free to send us a line today at beenthere.dumpthatusa.com. No matter the structure of your home or property, we'll be able to make this entire process as smooth as silk. That's what providing residential-friendly dumpsters is all about. And if you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.